everyone. We're having a ball. My budget is 1 million. Mine is 1,000.
And mine's just $1.
What? Now that's a challenge. Can we make beautiful looks no matter the budget? Let's find out. We'll start with you, Jessie.
Yay! Woohoo!
What? Where did the ice cream come from?
It just kinda happened.
LaLiLu!
Yes, I'm here.
She spent the whole budget.
Stay calm. I've got some old stuff in here.
Oh, great. Let's look.
Hmm?
Here, that's what we need.
But what are you gonna do with it?
Oh, right. Need a checklist. Ta-da!
Oh, wow.
We've got a hat, a DIY surprise, and a dress. Let's start with it. LaLiLu, let's get to work.
Perfect. Let's do it. We'll make a corset. Lay the pattern on craft paper. Trace it and cut it out. Let's try it on Jessie. A few more details. Add lacing. And voila!
So cute. How does it feel, Jessie?
It's fine.
LaLiLu, loosen it a little.
Got it. Phew.
Better now?
Perfect.
Great. Let's move on to the skirt. What else do you have in the box, LaLiLu? Cool. This will come in handy. What else?
I'm here.
Oh no, not now, Jinu.
Fine, as you say.
Okay, where were we?
Making the skirt. Draw a big circle on craft paper. Cut out and fold it in half. Then fold again and again. Cut off the corner. And there's our skirt. Put it on Jessie and lengthen it with corrugated cardboard. Take a strip of white fabric, stitch it, and gather it to make sleeves. Add fabric panels to the skirt and draw a cow print on them.
I brought some twine.
Perfect timing. We'll make a pretty pattern with it.
I like it, but I'll add something else. Let's look for ideas in my diary. Oh yes, this is awesome. If you want more DIY ideas, check the link in the description for my notebook.
Take craft paper strips, roll them, and shape into petals using quilling. Decorate the skirt and corset. And here's our finished dress.
Oh wow, Jessie, you look amazing. LaLiLu, check it off the list. And here I am. Got everything we need. Oh, what's in there? Look, funny, right? Wait, not yet. Let's make a bolero out of this first.
Take our pattern, trace it onto the fabric, and cut it out. Now we need to sew it.
Here's your thread.
Thanks, Lali. Sew it together.
Great, but we still need a hood. Here's the fabric.
Okay. Cut the hood pieces, sew them together, and attach to the bolero.
Let's try it on. Lali, look! Well, this is gonna be a challenge. Hold still. Time for some Lali magic. Ta-da! Oh no, the bodysuit doesn't work here. Okay, let's fix that. LaLiLu, can you help me?
Of course. Cut a piece of silver fabric and make a top.
Wow, amazing! Make the skirt from this.
Great idea. Stitch, gather it, and we've got a bell skirt.
Time for a design choice.
Wow, awesome.
And we'll add this to the top.
Great.
No, I'll do it myself. Perfect!
All right. Meanwhile, we'll make eyes and a beak from craft foam.
Yes, exactly.
Glue them onto the hood.
It's absolutely slaying!
It is, but I'd love to add something to the skirt.
I know who to call. Hey, Wednesday, I need some black mesh.
Sending thing your way.
Here you go, Lali. Wow, that was fast. Thank you.
Can I get a high five?
Not now, Jinu.
Fine.
We need to finish the dress. Just gorgeous.
Trim the edges with sequins.
I have a diamond. Hi-ya! Wow, stunning! Wow. A few final touches, and the look is done.
Great. Let's check that off the list.
Thank you. This is the coolest ball gown ever.
Yay!
Oh, gotta go. Hey, Rumi.
Lali, where are our supplies?
Sorry, I used them up.
What?
Just kidding. We bought everything. Jinu, it's your time to shine.
And here I am.
See, Rumi? We'll get it done right now.
Hey, I'm right here.
Okay. Off you go, Jinu. See you later.
Fine.
Craft time. Cool, this will come in handy.
Take gold fabric.
No, that's boring. Use plastic instead.
Looks awesome, but it won't stay on.
LaLiLu, that's what a hairdryer is for.
Oh, got it. Wow, what a creative solution.
And now rhinestones.
Cover the entire corset with gems.
gorgeous!
Let's try it on Rumi. Stunning.
LaLiLu, just look at me.
I'll take that. Sew the fabric, gather it, and make a full skirt from 2 pieces.
Wow, look at that bling!
What gorgeous fur.
I ordered some for Rumi, too.
Perfect. Decorate the skirt and corset with the fur.
And don't forget the gold.
Add earrings. Cut a bracelet from rhinestone ribbon. The look is complete. Rumi is shining from head to toe. The gold and pink fur trim match beautifully.
This is incredible! The look is absolutely slaying! Okay, dress is done. Wait, that's not it. Okay, we need a paper tube.
La la la. Oops. What? Fine.
Yay, got it!
Cut off a small piece. This is the crown base. Thanks, Lali. Make the brim from corrugated cardboard. Draw a big circle and cut it out with a hole in the middle. Glue on the crown and cover the top. Done.
Wait, I brought some twine.
But it's white.
Just dip it in coffee and it'll turn brown.
Wow, cool hack. Wrap a rope around Jessie's hat and add a quilling ornament. It came out so beautiful.
And it really suits you.
Thank you. Oh, our checklist says shoes for Gugu Gaga.
Right, we need shoes. LaLiLu, I need some wrap.
Got everything. Wrap Gugu Gaga's feet.
I brought some air dry clay.
Perfect. Mold it into shoes.
Let me do it.
Lali, are you sure?
That's it. I know what's in style right now. Let me shape them.
Yay!
Need some sparkle.
Cover the shoes with glitter polish. Add some gems.
Oh, wow, that slaps.
Yay! Right, let's check that off the list.
Wow. Okay, I'm off then. Hey, hold on. So, Rumi still needs more jewelry. I have just the right thing.
Wow, so beautiful. Weave these beads into the braid. Add some dangles and stars. Perfect. Wow.
You can't go to the ball without a crown.
Let's make Rumi a stunning crown. I already prepped everything. Assemble all the pieces. Thread beads onto gold wire. And secure our crown. A few final touches. And done.
Wow, Rumi, you look like a true $1 million princess. What's next?
The DIY surprise. I love surprises.
I know. We'll make you a hobby horse. We won't need the marshmallows. I'm taking them.
Draw a horse head shape on cardboard. Cut it out. Glue it on a skewer and cover with a printout. Shorten the skewer. Take some twine and make a bridle. Here you go, Jessie. But I don't have any shoes. Oh, you're right. Let's fix that. Take old cowboy boots, wrap them in plastic, and coat with hot glue. Once the glue dries, remove the base, and we got hot glue boots. Paint them the right color, decorate with twine, and draw a cow print. Go ahead and try them on, Jessie. Wow, I'm obsessed.
Oh, wow, look at your hobby horse. Try galloping on it.
Nothing to it.
Yes, great job. Go, Jessie.
Straight ahead. Whatever. Woo! Ha ha! I can do this. Woo!
Oh, wow.
I told you, nothing to it.
Come on in, Gugu Gaga. Get ready for a surprise. This bag is from my notebook. Remember, the link is in the description.
The template is already in the notebook. We just need to cut out the pieces.
First step, cutting out.
Done.
Great, next step, transfer them onto craft foam.
Trace and cut.
Next, fold the bag along the fold lines and glue it together. And I see you already added the handle. Just need to decorate it.
Cover it with sequins. And add a bow and rhinestones.
Wow, what a gorgeous bag! Gugu Gaga, here you go.
Wow, I'm gonna be the most stylish one at the ball.
And it's also super roomy.
Oh, really? Let me test that. LaLiLu, can you help me pack my stuff? Of course. Lali's notebook.
And now...
No problem.
Wow, it really is super roomy.
Here.
Thank you. See, I told you everything would fit. Indeed.
Bravo to Lali and her notebook.
Oh, right, I gotta meet Rumi. Rumi, your surprise is something you won't believe. It's Jinu.
I'm here. How's it going? Oh, fine.
Look at this outfit.
What's wrong with it?
You won't go into the ball wearing that. LaLiLu, let's make him an outfit.
Let's go, Lali.
Rumi, you wait for us. This gold fabric is gonna be perfect.
I like it. Let's do it. Lay our patterns on the fabric, trace, and cut out. All the pieces are ready. Just need to sew.
Vest is done.
And the pants too.
Try it on, Jinu. How much longer?
And here I am. So, what do you think?
Not bad, but something's missing. And I know exactly what. I love pink.
Cut out the shirt pieces from pink fabric and sew them together. Done.
Jinu, put on the shirt. Wow, you look so handsome. Let's add more bling.
I know what to make from gems. A sparkly necktie. Stunning. Add accents on the collar and cuffs. Done.
Wow, the look is absolutely slaying.
Yeah, and I'm slaying too.
Rumi, look how handsome Jinu looks.
Yeah, he's such a crush.
Now try dancing together.
But I don't know how.
Don't stress, I'll teach you. Ow!
Sorry.
It's okay, just be more careful. Fine, everyone's ready. Time for the ball, and here's your ride. You guys fly there and I'll catch up.
Sounds good. Thanks, Lali.
They're so adorable. See you there.
All items checked off. Time for us to go too.
Yes. Welcome to the ball. Give it up for our contestants, Miss Cowgirl Jessie. Woo! A stunning look. Absolutely free.
Well, yeah.
Meet Gugu Gaga, an incredible look. Shine bright like a diamond. And finally, Rumi, a precious $1 million look. Rumi, how are you loving the show?
And here I am.
And Jinu, of course. What a beautiful couple. I think every single look is absolutely perfect. Which look is your favorite? Write it in the comments. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.